Ndewonu Igbo ndị ọma ndị nke m, kedu ka unu mere? Hello my amazing Igbo language learners, how are you all doing? So our Igbo words for today, because there are more than one, is nne. Nke mbụ nne, nke abụọ ụka nne, nke atọ nne ọma. So what does the word nne mean in English? The word nne means mother in English. The second one, which is Uka Nne, means Mothering Sunday. Uka Nne means Mothering Sunday. And Nneoma means good mother. Nne Oma, remember the word Oma, which is good. Nne means mother and good means Oma in Igbo. I hope you've learned something new today. By the way, today is Ukanne. Today we are celebrating women around the world, known as Mothering Sunday, but in Igbo language we call it Oka Nne. I hope you've learned something new today. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you again tomorrow. Kemesia.